Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to perform the test for the detection of lipids and their conformity test. Usually the students of FSC and third semester, BS third semester, they come across this test in their examination because it is included in their syllabus, FSC syllabus as well as the BS syllabus. So first of all, I'm going to tell you people about the theory of these tests, and then we will perform all these tests. The first test is the heat test. You know, I told you people when we started the test for the detection of carbohydrates and detection of proteins. I told you people that first ever test is performed, that is what the heat test. In this test, we take 3 ml of original solution or the given solution. OS means original solution, and we heat that in the test tube on the Bunsen burner or any other heating object. Okay. If the PPT are formed, if precipitates are formed, then we say that the proteins are present. But here in this case, what PPT are not formed. Okay. If the PPT are not formed, then carbohydrates could be present, or lipids could be present, or nothing could be present. That could be even water. Yes, right? Yes. Well, one thing more should I tell you people, if you heat, when you perform this test, if they are the lipids, then you can detect the oily smell. Okay, oily smell. Next test is what the spot test. Spot test. In this test, you take the filter paper. Okay, and put a drop of that given solution or the original solution, and you see that spreads. Okay, that spreads and forms that very area wherever that is present, that becomes transparent. So that is what the another clue that the lipids are present. Okay. Next comes what the emulsion test. Emulsion test is carried out by mixing the lipids with alcohol. Okay. You know, the alcohol breaks the bonds of the large lipid molecules. Okay, and what happens? The emulsion is formed. Okay, so here the test is performed in this way. You take 3 ml or 4 ml of original solution or the given solution, and 1 to 2 ml of absolute alcohol. 1 to 2 ml of absolute alcohol. You mix that vigorously.
Sir, what is mean of vigorously?
Gentlemen, vigorously means with a full power. Okay, you suppose this is your test tube. Would you bring that test tube to me? Okay. Suppose this is the test tube. Okay, you put first the given solution, and then you put the alcohol. Okay. And we'll perform just after a couple of moments. You mix that like this. This is what the vigorous. Vigor means power.
Force.
Okay. Urdu में क्या कहते हैं? ताकत के साथ. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Ruthlessly, you can say ruthlessly. Well, a milky appearance forms in the test tube. Okay, that becomes like the milk is worked in it. So that is what the lipids are conformed. Inference would be what? If you observe the milky appearance.